Hello. Today I have to inform you some good news. That do you know about my picture board Nature Garden, right? Yeah, this time that picture board I create also animation short movie. You can practice by listening about that picture book. You can buy or you can read with Kobo Plus and you can listen and watch that animation movie in my website www.viluna.net with payment. You can use that animation video only 1 month. You can purchase for 1 month and you can practice the listening skill from that animation movie. Okay, I will introduce some taste of that animation movie. Let's see it.
Such a beautiful day. Sunlight hugs the world with warmth and love. The stream flows with calm and peace. There are green, fresh sceneries everywhere.
소녀는 산책을 나가 자연과 조화롭게 살아가기 위해 나섰다. 그녀는 맑은 정신으로 자연 속으로 들어갔다. 소녀는 커다란 나무 아래에 앉아
မိငယ်လေးသည်တစ်ပင်ကြီးအောက်တွင်ထိုင်ကလှပသောရှုခင်းကိုခံစားနေသည်။သူမအဖမ်းဖြေနေစဉ်ကိုဖြူလေးတစ်ကောင်ကသူမထံချင်းကပ်လာသည်။ကိုဖြူလေးကိုမြင်တဲ့အခါပြုံးပြနှုတ်ဆက်ပြီးကိုဖြူလေးကိုအစာအနည်းငယ်ကိုကျွေးလိုက်သည်
I think you want to interest for that animation movie, right? Okay, if you want to watch all full animation short movie in all version, English, Burmese, Korean, come to my website www.viluna.net. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.